Hello and welcome to the Smart IT Academy. In this course we will be looking at the accounting application and how Odoo helps businesses improve their decision-making by giving them access to real-time financial data at the tip of their fingers. During this course we will learn key Odoo accounting concepts and terminologies, overview of Odoo Accounting module, how to configure your Odoo Accounting database as a database administrator, what do day-to-day operations in Odoo Accounting look like, and other advanced functionalities. Before jumping into the Odoo database, let's discuss the compatibility and key concepts and terminology of the Odoo Accounting module. The first concept to understand is the double-entry bookkeeping system. Odoo Accounting uses a double-entry bookkeeping system. If you have a non-accounting background, you may feel a bit uncomfortable about this phrase, but don't worry. You do not necessarily have to be an accountant to use Odoo Accounting for your business, because the system automatically creates all the behind-the-scenes journal entries for each of your accounting transactions, and all the entries and reports are automatically generated. This also means that you as a user do not have to follow a double-entry system's logic, because the system is already making sure that everything you do in Odoo complies to the double-entry bookkeeping system. The next concept to discuss is the accrual and cash basis method. Odoo supports both accrual and cash basis reporting, as we will explore throughout the course. When you report income and expense at the time of the transaction, it is called accrual basis. When you report income and expense at the time of payment, either made or received, it is called cash basis. Therefore, the main difference between accrual and cash basis methods is under accrual, you consider you made a sale when you raise an invoice, while under the cash basis system, you only consider that you made a sale when you received the payment for the invoice. The cash basis method is mainly used by small companies dealing in cash. During this course, we will mainly use the example of the accrual basis method. The next concept is multi-companies. Odoo supports a multi-company environment. This means that when you own multiple businesses, you can run all your businesses under one database, saving money against multiple different applications to run your accounting and make it easier to consolidate reports at the year-end. The next key concept is multi-currencies. Odoo supports multi-currency. Every transaction is recorded in the default currency of the company, such as GBP in the case of UK companies. For transactions occurring in another currency, Odoo stores both the value in the currency of the company and the value in the currency of the transaction. Odoo automatically generates currency gains and losses when payment is reconciled, saving you time from manual posting and foreign exchange conversion. Odoo can also fetch the exchange rate in real time on a daily, weekly or monthly basis, using multiple third-party sources to fetch the exchange rate. Some of the popular names are xe.com, European Central Bank, Bank of Canada, and other major agencies. The next concept is compliance. Odoo complies with International Financial Reporting Standards, or IFRS rules. Odoo's core accounting engine supports Anglo-Saxon accounting, which is applicable to the US, UK, and other English-speaking countries. This basically means that these countries record the cost of goods sold when products are sold or delivered. Odoo also supports Continental European accounting. Under this method, expenses are accounted for at the point of receiving the supplier's invoice. During this course, we will be running the Odoo accounting system configured as Anglo-Saxon. The next concept is financial reports. Reports in Odoo range from basic accounting reports to advanced management reports. These include performance reports, such as profit and loss, budgets versus variance, position reports, such as balance sheet, aged payables, and aged receivables, cash reports, such as bank summary, detail reports, such as trial balance and general ledger, and management reports, such as budgets, executive summaries, The reporting capability of Odoo does not end with this list. Odoo's report engine allows you to customize your own report based on your own formula. If learning the report engine and formula is hard for the user, Odoo also has an inbuilt BI tool called Odoo Spreadsheet, which works similar to other major spreadsheet tools like Excel. The advantage of using this tool over Excel is that you only set the template once and Odoo updates the base data in real time. The next concept is bank statement reconciliation. Odoo supports bank statement integration with many major banking institutions globally. Odoo makes bank reconciliation easy by frequently importing bank statement lines from your bank directly into your Odoo account. This means you can have a daily view of your cash flow without having to log into your online banking or wait for your proper bank statements. This process also speeds up bank reconciliation by matching most of your imported bank statement lines to your accounting transactions through pre-configured reconciliation models. The next concept is tax computation and report. As mentioned earlier, you do not have to be an accountant to work on the Odoo Accounting module. This is because there is barely any instance when you will be manually posting any journal entries or reports on Odoo. Everything from a journal entry to reporting, including tax report, is automatically computed and posted by Odoo behind the scenes. Odoo is MTD, or Making Tax Digital, compliant, which means you do not have to extract the report from Odoo to submit it to HMRC. Rather, it is all electronically dealt with by Odoo when you decide to send the report to HMRC at the end of the period. The next concept to understand is inventory valuation. Odoo is a suite of business applications that includes accounting. The accounting module is integrated with a number of other modules in Odoo. For example, other modules such as inventory, purchasing, and sales can be used to interact with the accounting module to send real-time data regarding the purchases and cost of sales information. This enables a user to report profit and loss in real time. The final topic is year-end. Manual year-end processes are a thing of the past. As with Odoo, retained earnings are automatically calculated based on your current year earnings in real time, so no year-end journal or rollover is required. This is calculated by reporting the profit and loss balance to your balance sheet report automatically. To recap, we have learned some basic concepts within Odoo Accounting, and you have understood that Odoo is a double-entry bookkeeping system. It supports cash and accrual basis. It supports multi-currency. It supports multi-companies and consolidation. It is compliant with IFRS and can be configured for Anglo-Saxon and European accounting practices. You can extract a variety of financial reports, or custom build one through Odoo's inbuilt BI tool. You can connect to your bank account to fetch statements and set automated reconciliation rules through models. Odoo is HMRC MTD compliant and automates tax return submission. Odoo automates year-end. And finally, with Odoo, anybody can be an accountant. In the next lesson, we will dive into Odoo and review the accounting module. Thanks for watching, and until next time.